I work in podcasting and videos and podcasts are now videos too. Whether I'm on them or consulting on them, it's like when my backdrop, we joked it was a Dexter wall because it's just a plastic insulation wall. When you're talking about something that may go out as a marketing material, it just wasn't a great look. So then the idea was to build a loose wall up here and drywalled it and installed some of the faux wood on there to give it a better look, and I'm ecstatic with the way it looks and how it's coming out, and looking forward to showing the customers actually. It cuts incredibly easily, like hugely beneficial to be time savings on a product. And what we started a little over 2 hours ago and finished 90% of the project in well under 3 hours. Well, half my time was looking for my tools. So, I've done a number of GenStone projects similar to this, and one thing I really like about them is they're like afternoon projects. They're not weekend projects. My wife already came down here and goes, "Can we use that in our bedroom?" So I might have to call you guys back here in a little bit.